Today I'll be using Fettayleh's Chicken Shawarma to make a really colourful and flavourful shawarma rice bowl. Here in front of me I've got some of the ingredients of what I'm going to put in that rice bowl. We've got some chickpeas that I'm going to braise. I've got some toasted almonds. I've also got an array of vegetables as well as herbs here to make a really nice fresh salad, and some yogurt that's going to have garlic through it and a little bit of mint and cucumber. And all of this is going to be beautifully presented on a bowl to just enjoy with some turmeric rice too. Fettayleh's Chicken Shawarma will only need about 6 to 8 minutes on the pan. This is fantastic for people like me, you know, I want a quick dinner, quick lunch, time poor, it's marinated, it's ready to go. And you know what, you can create a dish like this at home so easily. So check this out, this is all the elements for our shawarma bowl. We've got our chicken shawarma from Fettayleh, we've got our shepherd salad or a farmer's salad, some roasted almonds, garlic, cucumber, yogurt, turmeric rice, braised chickpeas, all done under half an hour for a fantastic meal. Let's put it all together and serve it up. So firstly, I'm going to start with our turmeric rice, got our braised chickpeas, our chicken shawarma. Now we're going to be very generous with this. Some of our salad, our garlic, yogurt with cucumbers and mint, and to finish it all off, our toasted almonds. And here is our chicken shawarma rice bowl ready to serve. Look at the colours, the textures, the flavours and the smell, the aroma is so wonderful.